guys, welcome back to Megan Marie.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah.
So today's video is going to be how to customize your iPhone with iOS 14. So this video was requested on my live stream, so if you want to go ahead and check out my lives and everything, then go to the icon right here. So a lot of you guys wanted me to do it, so I thought I would do it because why not? So before we get more into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the post notification bell to get alerts when I do live streams, community tabs, or when I post a video. Also, follow my Instagram. It will be linked down below. I also have an Etsy shop, so I'll also be linked down below. So with all of that being said, let's get into customizing your iPhone. Okay, so I'm gonna do kind of a little bit of steps, and also timestamps will be linked down below. Okay, so say you're stuck on your aesthetic that you want your phone to be on. Here are some examples that my friends have done. Okay, so the first thing you're obviously going to do is download the update. So you're gonna go onto your settings, which mine is already kind of like in the shortcut, as you would say. And so as you can tell, it takes a little bit longer to get into the settings, but obviously it takes like 0.2 seconds to get there. So you're gonna go on to general, and then it should say software update, and then it should say iOS 14, and mine, since they already downloaded it, it will say your software is up to date. So that's basically how you download it and everything. Okay, so now onto the fun stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys today is how to do cover apps. So how to do this gold and everything, but before you obviously do it, make sure you choose an aesthetic that you would want. So for instance, I like blush and gold, so that's why I have it gold glitter, and then my background is blush. Camera photos of them and calculator I use all the time, so I like those to be as easy to access. So for instance, like say I go to notes, it will go to shortcuts then to notes, so it takes a little longer, but you'll live. But I just do like the ones I use all the time, not as shortcuts, so that's why some are with glitter. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that and everything. So you're first gonna go onto the app called Shortcuts. So once you're on this app Shortcuts, you're gonna press the plus in the top right of your screen. Okay, so from there you're gonna say add action. You're gonna say open app, and you're gonna press choose and choose what you want. So for instance, I want the news one. So I'm gonna press news, and then I'm gonna go to the three dots, and I'm gonna say news again, and then go to home screen and also put news. Then I'm gonna press on the icon and say choose photo. So you can choose like any one you want or whatever, but I'm gonna choose this glitter one, press choose, and I'll press add. Therefore it is add, and then you'll do done. Then it saves it onto, for mine too or whatever, so I'm gonna press on it and say edit home screen. So therefore I'm gonna move it over and have it go right there and done. But here's the issue. So I already have a news right here. So if I do not want that on my screen anymore, I'm gonna press the delete or whatever and say move it to app library, and then say done. So therefore, if I slide over, I can go to news and it will just pop up like that, which is so convenient. So there I have that, and that's how you do it. They're pretty cute and covers that everyone's doing on TikTok. Okay, so this next one is how to do this kind of calculator or stuff in the corner or whatever. So you're gonna go onto the App Store, and you're gonna search up widgetsmith. So once you have it download, you can also do color widget, which is for these colors, but in my opinion, I just like the other one, I don't know. So I'm gonna open it up. And so I have so many, but I love this small. So to add a small widget, you're gonna do it, and then you're gonna say default widget. So say I want one that does a month and date, then I'm gonna go to font and say I want a typewriter font. Then I'll do the tint color, so I want it to be white. The background color, I want it to be this pale pink. And then I basically have that done and I will save it. You can also do a border. So then when I go to whatever screen I want it on, I'm just gonna press on a random thing, say edit home screen. Press the plus in the corner and say widgetsmith. And I'm gonna say add widget. So there it is right here. So, okay, so say I want my small 3 or whatever that I have, the one that we did. So I'm gonna press on it and it will go up like this, and I'm gonna say small widget 3 and check it, and then it will turn it to the way I wanted it. So then you can kind of like move it around and everything, and yeah, so I think it's so fun. So I'm just gonna put this one kind of right there. I think it looks good, and then I'm gonna say done. And then yeah, that's basically the simple way of how to do and change up your phone with iOS 14. So yeah, those are the 2 things that I think are the most popular, are the cover apps and the widgetsmith. But either way, if you guys try this out, definitely make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you're gonna try this out from this tutorial that I gave you. And yeah. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, comment it down below, and comment down below the iPhone emoji so I know that you are a real one and you stay to the end of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!